with you, right? These are the things they haven't told you about e-commerce, right? Let me tell you this. Number one, start a blog to coincide with your Shopify website. Number two, build awareness. How you build awareness? You have to share content. You have to network. Ask questions. Share your expertise, right? And number three, build an email list and build a relationship with that email list. And number four, you got to understand this. People buy from people who they know, like, and trust. So if they don't know you, like you, or trust you, they're not going to buy anything from you. Number five, you could have a fancy looking website, good pictures, and good product descriptions, and good prices. But that's not going to entice people to buy from you. Let me tell you what's going to entice people to buy from you. The value you bring and establishing that relationship. Because once you establish that relationship, the relationship is going to open up the door for sales. Because now people trust you.